Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2021 GMC Acadia all-wheel drive Denali, finished in a really beautiful color, red mahogany metallic. Let's see, even with the car dirty, it still looks awesome. Total sticker price of $54,685. This one has the Denali Ultimate Package and the red mahogany red mahogany metallic. Jet black interior on this one compared to the Denali I just drove with the light colored interior. You still have some light colored stitching throughout, which is very welcome. Tons of cargo space. Everything, of course, is power. Do love the dual exhaust. I mean, it is just not necessary, but very welcome. Well, it actually is necessary for exhausting, but you know what I mean. You can see your dual sunroof. Probably not what they designed the car to do, but hey. Quick removing. Whew, it's hot in the sun. What is it at? 75? Yeah. Go from 40 to 75. That's... The temperature went from 75 to 40 back to 75 like it saw a state trooper. Nice ventilated seats. I'll put those on. Sunglasses. Go for a drive. Also have your rear vision camera for your virtual rearview mirror. The camera is washable, so if you watch the screen, just sprays water straight across the camera, cleans it off. Pretty smart idea. I'm surprised a lot of other manufacturers with backup cameras and stuff like that don't make a similar system, because one of the most annoying parts of having a backup camera is when it gets dirty, you know, with snow and all that stuff. You have to get out, clean it, wipe it down, and then you have to make sure that you got it all, because you'll go back in, turn on the reverse camera and be like, oh yeah, there's the spot that I missed. So it's really nice that you can just press a button, clean it. If you're on a road trip, you don't have to pull over. It's awesome, especially seeing how this is now, it can be your dedicated rearview mirror. You can still shut it off, but I like to leave them on, just as personal preference. I love them, and definitely waiting for more car companies to do that, unless I know General Motors didn't copyright this whole idea, because Nissan just came out with it too. So I think eventually all manufacturers are going to go to this. I definitely think GMC, Chevy should add this into the Savannah cargo vans, because once you have a lot of stuff back there, a lot of the cargo vans don't even have rear windows, so they should add that to them. Back to the Denali. 3.6 liter V6 mated to the 9-speed automatic provides this amount of level of power. I love the 3.6 GM V6. It is a fantastic motor. 9-speed transmission is fantastic as well. The V6 is the same one that's found in your V6 Camaro. It's also shared with the Traverse, Buick Enclave, and I think a couple others. The Blazer, of course. But 3.6 tried and true, sounds excellent. I have no complaints there about it. Do a forward collision warning. If it detects that you're coming up on a vehicle a little bit too quickly, and it's thinking that you're not seeing it, it will flash up on your heads-up display, as well as rumble your seat to get you to look up and not hit the car in front of you. I believe the Denali Ultimate package enhances the automatic emergency braking to the point where I believe it will stop the car for you if... Alright, well, we'll try it here because they're slowing down. You'll see the red flash up, and then it should bring itself to a halt. I've never, ever gotten to the point where it has applied the brakes for me. It's just a little bit freaky, and I'm never going to try it on an actual car. If we had like a foam barrier, then I'd try it out. But it works really, really well. In some ways, it's almost telepathic, because I've had times where a car moves out of the lane and there was a car stopped, and it comes up as soon as that car moves and it sees that car, it comes with the heads-up display saying stop. Very, very good, very great system. I love it, and I can definitely see it being a lifesaver. Handling is awesome. You can feel it kind of clawing its way around corners. No complaints there either. All in all, the GMC Acadia Denali is still an absolutely fantastic SUV. And I look forward to reviewing some more. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video.